Here is a completely different impression of the factory. Here you can feel the most rigorous work attitude. Here, every detail is almost perfect. DongGuan Adam Electronic Technology Company Limited. You are the best around electronic connector specialist. Adam Electronic Technology Company Limited, China's leading specialist manufacturer of electronic connectors, is helping to create a top international high-quality electronic products and leading the Chinese manufacturing industry. The company is located in Xiamen Industrial Zone, Cheng'an Town, DongGuan, Guangdong Province. The existing plant area of 7,940 square meters, set stamping, injection molding, product assembly, production and sales. All stamping equipment is imported from abroad. In order to ensure efficient production and product quality, companies strictly enforce the ISO 9000 standards, the concept of excellence, injected into every aspect. Our main products are D-sub high current, D-sub drive pin, D-sub high pin bit, D-sub adapter, D-sub twins, fiber optic series, USB series, HDMI series, audio and video cable, RJ45 series. All raw materials used are imported eco-friendly materials, we believe. Good material to a fine. The customer is the real demand. Today, our annual output of 50 million continues to enhance the production capacity. Our products earlier passed the CE, ROS, and other international testing and certification. Sold nationwide and exported to America, Western Europe, Southeast Asia, and other regions by client companies and the market acceptance and recognition, and has become more than well-known domestic brand appliances and large multinational enterprises designated suppliers. Everyone who put quality and service of Adam to keep in mind, we can accord to customer samples or drawings provided by the production of high-precision progressive die and efficient completion of products and processing. Adam man of integrity, truth-seeking, pragmatic, and scientific management philosophy. Quick and dedicated service with the company's sincere cooperation creates a win-win. Come on, choose Adam Electronics. Let us work together to promote people more convenient use of digital electronic products and struggle. In this era of transformation and upgrading of China's manufacturing industry, Adam Electronic annual production capacity of 50 million will make China the proportion of high-end electronic connectors rapidly increasing. Adam Electronic World all staff always adhere to own the quality of faith with the most rigorous work attitude to create high-quality products. Own world-class quality, boost China's manufacturing industry. Vision-guided Adam, who continues to advance. The dream of Adam mind people must be able to build a world-class brand so that China's private enterprises to stand on the peak of the world. DongGuan Adam Electronic Technology Company Limited. You are the best around electronic connector specialist. www.cndgsf.cn